Ifeanyi Mascot Ikwechegh, a distinguished Nigerian politician and businessman, is known for his impactful career and extensive contributions to community development. As a former local government chairman of Abia North in Abia State, Alex made history as one of the youngest local government chairmen in Nigeria at just 28, earning him recognition for his leadership and vision. Alex Ifeanyi Mascot was born on October 10, 1980, in the town of Igbere within the Bende local government area of Abia State, Nigeria. Raised in a family rooted in philanthropy and public service, he embarked on his educational journey at Constitution Crescent Primary School in Abia State. He pursued his secondary education at the Hope Waddell Training Institution, one of Nigeria's historic institutions, before earning a degree in business management from the University of Calabar. His education laid a solid foundation for his future endeavors in business and politics. Alex's political career began with his successful election as chairman of Aba North local government area, making him one of the youngest elected leaders in Nigeria's history. His tenure was marked by innovative community programs and a drive to improve public services within Aba North. Beyond politics, Alex is the CEO of Grossfield Group, a prominent conglomerate with businesses spanning construction, real estate, oil and gas, and property development. Grossfield Group operates through its subsidiaries, Grossfield Construction Limited, Grossfield Energy, and Grossfield Merchants Limited, across multiple Nigerian states, including Abuja, Lagos, and Abia State. Alex's entrepreneurial spirit also paved the way for his humanitarian efforts. Through the Alex Ikwechegh Foundation, he provides scholarships, disaster relief, and community support to hundreds of underprivileged Nigerians, emphasizing educational access and emergency aid. The foundation's scholarship scheme alone has funded the education of over 250 indigent students in Abia State. Alex's dedication to social welfare is evident through his foundation, which has continuously addressed the needs of Nigeria's underprivileged. In 2018, he received the prestigious Ndi Igbo Times Merit Award, further solidifying his influence within the Igbo community. Additionally, he has been named among the top 50 most influential Igbo people in Nigeria, joining an elite group of leaders such as Othoreze, Tony Elumelu, Peter Obi, and Chimamanda Adichie. In October 2024, Alex found himself at the center of controversy after an altercation with a Bolt delivery rider led to his arrest. Allegedly, the incident involved physical and verbal threats, sparking outrage and highlighting issues around power dynamics. Despite this setback, Alex remains a prominent figure, with his supporters hopeful for his continued contributions to public service and community development. Born to Mascot Ukandu Ikwechegh, a successful businessman and philanthropist, Alex's values have been shaped by his family's legacy of public service. A convert to Islam, Alex's faith has influenced his approach to philanthropy and community work, fostering his dedication to peace, inclusivity, and societal advancement. Through his public and private initiatives, Alex continues to advocate for humanitarian causes and champion the welfare of Nigeria's underserved populations.